I would say nothing but I dreamt it, right? I had a beautiful dream, and then I'm showing that how your dream could be, and then that is possible. So I'm just telling two dreams to show you that how big your dreams could be, where I feel proud about it. So, in fact, this journey of my dream started long before, immediately after joining, after completing my PG. Actually, I did my MSc chemistry and then MBA. And after chemistry, I joined in an organization and worked in a factory. And then thinking about something which I want to do, or I want to, what I love to do, right? Then started the dreaming process. Coming back, all this inspiration I got as the speaker said, or the MC. All of you, are you aware about NLP? Neuro-linguistic programming. It's a study of successful people, right? It's in simple terms, I will put it. Neuro is, it's nerves, you know all, right? Nerves are, I put it in how your brain functions. Lingua is language, right? And then programming is, it's a computer programming kind of thing. How you program your mind through a certain language, you will be doing. So in simple it is that. So this study shows that how they studied how the successful people are achieving knowingly or unknowingly, and they bring it. So the another division which I come to is like how people are taking their goals or taking their life on their own. So all this put together, I developed a methodology for dreaming, then started reaching people. Of course, with my previous organization support and various social organizations, I have reached 3,000 students and executives, especially on the rural areas where they don't have much exposure, right? So in that way, I would say I made people to dream. Right? So, are you ready to dream? Before that, are you a dreamer already?
Yes.
Yes? Daydreamer? During classes? Yes. These are the pre-qualifications, right? You should be able to dream. By the time I am speaking, you will be somewhere else. It should be there, right? That is the first qualification. Are you eligible? Right. Please raise your hand. Who are all eligible? Right. So who are all not raised the hands, they are outside. So you are still eligible. Right. Okay. Coming back. The dream is how you dream it, and then let me give some 4 tips only, and we will see that on this how you can start. There are various steps involved in dreaming, but you can start dreaming. It's a simple thing. Number 1, first of all, to dream. You should start believing that, or you should convince yourself that you achieved something. Right? Say for example, anyone can share your dream, what you want to. Anyone? Any dreams out there? Where you dare to say that, sir, I want to achieve this. Something like that. Yes? Yeah, yes. Please. You want to get something? I want to?
Good singer.
Good singer? Ah, okay, great. Wait, can we appreciate her? Any other dreams you have? Any other dreams you are glad to say that yes, I want it? One promise which I can make is whatever you share, it is going to happen, right? Someone, oh, she's adjusting this. I thought someone is right. Okay. Fine. You have it in your mind. No problem. You can be a best student. You can be a best nursing. Or you want to achieve something like you want to be placed in a big hospital. Or some of you may have a dream of going abroad and settle there. Or some of you, or many of you, and all of you want to have a beautiful and happy life, successful life, and all this is there, right? So it's all your dreams. Thanks for sharing your dream, and of course it will come true. Say, the first thing is, whatever you dream, whatever your dreams are, don't worry that whether I will be able to, I am from this place, I am here, I don't know anyone, no need. right? If your dream is clear, and then it is possible you are there. I can give a number of cases where someone said in the group that I want to this, and then they have become that, right? So the first and foremost is in your dream, you should start believing from today, from now, that you achieved that, right? By the way you said that I want to be a great singer, you equate yourself with more than or with Susila or Janaki or whoever it is, right? You can bypass everyone and then pop off it. And then of course they themselves can say that yes, I have made it, right? The day will come. It is possible. So whatever your dream, the first thing is you have to imagine that in your dream you achieve. It's not trying. Are you getting the point? So you have to. Again it's a science, and again it's a psychology, making your brain believe that it is going to happen, right? Then action will come. Don't worry. You don't need to practice anything. You don't need to do anything at all. You have to give it. And this is the first and foremost condition. And in that dream, you have three important components has to be, right? The three components are, one is the visual component, and number two is the auditory component, and the third is the feeling component. These three things should be there. I will give you a simple example, and then we will see how to dream. We will have a sample dream also, right? First one, visual component. In this, say, let us say, I want to be a great singer, right? At the world top, right? Maybe if someone says some name, and people should be recognized for her or his song, let us say. Okay, so the thing is how to bring in the visual component. You have to dream in such a way that you already had a status of the best singer in the world or in the country, whatever you want, right? And see that when you achieve that status, what are all the visuals you will see? You are going to receive some award, or you will be seeing that whole auditorium, the people are waiting for your singing, and then you are going to the stage, and then you are giving your best effort, and they are announcing that, oh, good, fantastic, and you are getting the standing ovation. All this with colors. Visual means you have to bring in the color into it, and you are getting lot of what calls, and you are getting booked in various films. All that you have to see in your eyes, right? Really, it should be a film. Okay, that is one. Number two is auditory. So when you achieve the dream, what kind of sounds you used to hear? Some master of ceremony will announce that so and so is now going to sing. So and so is achieved the status of best student of the year award. And you have to see that I am the best nurse, or the let us say Florence Nightingale award for the nursing profession. Something what people are saying, and the clapping sound, someone congratulating, your family members feeling and coming saying that I am proud of you, your friends saying that proud of you. Those words, sounds has to hear in your ears, right? It's not just dreaming. You have to add audio. It's like, do you like to see a movie with the mute sound? No. You go to a film, and suddenly in between the film and audio get muted. What do? You may not do. Some people will whistle, and you may not be able to resist. There. You want the audio, no? So your movie is also without audio, it will not work. So the sound should be, you should be there, not others. So the second part is your audio. Okay. And the third part is very important. It is the feeling